Today I'm going to be showing you how to do keyword research for any website. So the example that I'm going to go for this time is a window cleaner. So if you was a window cleaner that needed a new website, or someone that wanted to rank higher that already has a website, this is how I would go about doing it. So first of all, if you've already got a website, it's important to use something called Google Search Console. So this is my website, and we're looking at the stats. And a good way to find what is already working for you is by going on performance pages. You can see here some of the top pages that we're ranking for. And if I go on one of these, for example, how to stop spam on contact form 7, this is just a blog post. Click on that pages, and then we're looking at specifically this page. We'll go on queries, and we can see here that people are searching for contact form 7 spam protection, and we're getting some clicks and some impressions. If we go on impressions, we can see that 654 impressions in the last 3 months. It's not amazing, but we could use this information to kind of research how we can improve that. So we know that people are searching for contact form 7 spam, contact form 7 spam protection. We could probably optimize this blog post, utilize these queries into the blog post, because we know that people are searching for them. And we could look at all the other ones that people are searching for, but we're not quite getting the impressions we want. Block contact form 7 spam WordPress could be a good one to look into. And yeah, so if we wanted to go from here, we could Google window cleaners Kent, because we're in Kent, and we can see here the top ones, forgetting these sponsored ones, and also the ones based on location, because these will only find the ones closest to you. We can see the top one is Checkatrade, which doesn't really count because they're a big company. We want to find the first one that is actually a business, Trust Trader again. So the top one is this, Maidstone Cleaners and Gardeners. We can see here the site is decent, but it could be a lot better. It's just very well optimized for that search time. So as a competitor, all you need to do is do better than this, better design, better wording, better keyword optimization, and you should rank higher than them. So yeah, we can see here all the keywords. They've probably been around for years. They use a lot of images. I mean, it doesn't look amazing, but it's obviously doing well for them. So let's put that in our Google Doc. So that's our main competitor in terms of SEO. So another thing we can use is SEMrush. So you can put in a domain name, and it will analyze this website, and it will give us some stats. They haven't got a lot of organic search called into this, but we can see that they're number 1 on Google for quite a few keywords that we want to rank for. So window cleaner Maidstone, roof cleaning to Kent, fairly low volume search terms. So it'd be good to find some higher volume search terms and rank high for them. So if we look into this a bit further, we can get a little bit more information. These are some nice keywords we can use to optimize our website for, and we can see what it links to. So this would be really good information for us. So let's screenshot that, put it in our document. And another thing we can do is grab the URL here, and we use another tool called Google Keyword Planner. So let's log in. Tools, Keyword Planner. And we can start with a website. So let's put in this website and use the entire site. So this will analyze this site and give us some keywords and some stats, and also give us some suggestions what might work well. So what we need to look out for here is low competition and high monthly searches. So for example, exterior cleaning services has got 100 to 1000 monthly searches, low competition, not a massive amount of searches, but it might be a good little niche to maybe make a landing page for. This is another one, exterior cleaning, low competition, but potentially a 10k monthly searches. Cleaning services, 100k, low competition. So that's a very low competition, so meaning that there isn't many people utilizing this key search term, but there's a lot of potential because people are searching for it. So we can export this, download keywords into Google Sheets, window cleaning keyword research, and we're going to download that, and that will prepare a report for us. And in the meantime, we can have a look at some more keywords. Home cleaners near me, that's another. Domestic cleaners near me, best cleaning service near me. All these near me ones are good, but you can't really utilize them on your website. So this is what it's given us. We can ignore the currency, we can ignore the three-month change. All we really want to look at is the keyword itself, monthly searches, low competition. So it's given us hundreds. So we can go through all of these, look at the search volume. For example, cleaning professional services, it's got medium competition, so it's still quite a good search term to use, and we can put that in our website in various places. So yeah, that's it really for the basic keyword research. It'll be good to go through all of these, find the highest monthly searches with the lowest volumes, and probably have a look at a few more competitors. So another one could be Shine Time, a nice looking website, ranking high on Google, but again, you could always do better. So yeah, we can put that on our Word document, run it through SEMrush again, and run this. SEMrush is free, but you only get, I think, 10 searches if you're on the free version. It's saying here 0 organic search traffic, which probably isn't accurate. This is probably gathering data from Google, but that can't be right because we've Googled window cleaners near me or window cleaners Kent, and it's there on the first page, so they're obviously doing quite well. If we just remove Kent, we can get the top ones in general, and probably, yeah, so they're still location based in Chatham, Medway. So this is another good competitor. Nice looking website, probably quite well optimized. Have a look at these websites and see what you can do to improve. Another thing we can look at is page source, and we can see what H1s, H2 tags they're using. So if we Control F, H1, we can skip through here and see, hopefully, what H1 tag they're using. Although they may have built this website on a strange platform, which isn't making it entirely obvious what it might be. A better way would be to inspect element. Yeah, again, this is a H2 tag. We can see here H2. This site might not be super well optimized, which shows another opportunity we can use to outdo them. So that's span, yeah, so these really should be header tags. So here you would want these to be H1 or H2 tags. You only want one H1 tag, that's a H2. Yeah, and it's good to make sure you use these keywords, key location words, I mean, Medway, Chatham, because people would be searching window cleaner Chatham. This guy's doing a really good job. It'd be good to aim, if you're a new window cleaner business, you should aim for something like this, and if you can, just simply do it better, optimize it better, and that's how you can get to the top of Google. I'll be going through in a different video how to get backlinks and how to go into more detail, but this is how I would start doing keyword research. There's a lot to take in, so please feel free to rewind and have a look at how you can get traffic on Google Ads, which is using their keyword planner. And yeah, good luck.